In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export emails from Microsoft Outlook to Microsoft Excel. If you've ever needed to analyze messages, build a report, or simply keep a structured backup, exporting your emails to a CSV file and opening that in Excel is a fast, reliable way to do it. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and I'll add tips so your export looks clean when it lands in Excel. Start by opening Outlook on your computer and make sure you're signed into the account that contains the emails you want. Give Outlook a moment to fully load, especially if you have a large mailbox or multiple accounts. Next, go to the File menu in the top left corner. Choose Open and Export, then click Import Export. This opens Outlook's Import and Export wizard, which is where we'll build the file for Excel. In the wizard, select Export to a file and click Next. This creates a copy of your data. It won't move or delete any messages from your mailbox. Choose comma-separated values and click Next. A CSV is perfect for Excel and can also be opened by other spreadsheet tools. If you see other options like PST, remember those are for Outlook-specific backups. CSV is the one that gives you rows and columns ready for analysis. Now pick the folder you want to export. This might be your inbox, sent items, or a specific project folder. Take a moment to select the correct one. If you see an option to include subfolders and you need everything underneath, turn that on. Otherwise, leave it off to keep the export targeted. Click Next to continue. Click Browse to choose where you want to save the file. Pick an easy-to-find location like your documents or desktop, and give the file a clear descriptive name ending with .csv. Click OK, then click Next. A quick tip, if you're exporting a very large folder, the file can be big and take time to generate. Be patient and avoid closing Outlook while it's working. Click Finish to start the export. Outlook will create the CSV in the location you chose. When it's done, you're ready to view your data. Open Excel, go to File, then Open, and select your CSV file. Excel will load your messages into a table-like view with columns such as subject, from, to, received, and more. If dates or times don't look right, format those columns in Excel. You can also resize columns, turn on filters, and sort by date or sender to quickly find what you need. That's it. You've exported your Outlook emails and opened them in Excel, ready for sorting, filtering, and analysis. Save your workbook, and you're good to go.